This is the Panasoffkey Guarneri model, and my friend Justin is going to demonstrate the tones in this fiddle.
It's got a lot of good tones, Royce. We're going to see what it can do.
Pretty good. That was kind of making me dizzy. So many notes in it. I taught you that, didn't I?
Yeah, I think so. About a week or so ago, something like that.
You're getting pretty close on it. You keep practicing, you'll have it.
Yeah.
And we'll be ready to go to the next part, the advanced version. I'm going to show you.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
All right, you play a little waltz or something on it. Nice tone, Justin.